How to reshare on Instagram post to your story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here you can see all of your posts. Now if you want to reshare an Instagram post to your story, now you can just tap on any of the posts that you would want to reshare and then tap on the three dotted lines. Here you'll be able to see the option of see where to share and link. So just tap on it. And as you do that, you can see the option of add to story at the bottom. So just tap on add to story. And as you do that, you can just select whichever layout you would want, and then you can just tap on your story, and that's how you'll be able to reshare an Instagram post to your story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.